Okay, so we're going to look at the upper arm in this section. So the upper arm will join to the torso here at the essentially armpit crease. You have the thickness and the width of the upper arm. Now, I've just kept the thickness and the width constant. So at the elbow crease here, I've said the thickness and the width are the same. So I've just made a square from that to make my base for my arm. We're going to add in 4 risers. And what you'll notice is that for your model, there is a slight slope across the thickness of the upper arm. So it ends up with one side of the upper arm being longer than the other side. So if you measure the dimensions from the high side, or this side of the thickness of the upper arm, down to the elbow crease, and from the extremity of the upper arm down to the elbow crease, you can cut lengths. So you'll have 2 longer lengths and 2 shorter lengths. You just glue those pieces in. What you'll end up with is something like this. Then you can glue in the other side and there'll be a difference in those dimensions if your body shape is like mine. So once you've done that, you'll end up with a shape that looks like this. And then we've just got to create a connection between the risers at the top here. So this dimension you already have, because it's exactly the same as that dimension if you assume that it's the same width across here. And then, so to create the slope here, what would be best is probably just to get a piece of cardboard edging, put it on, and mark with the felt tip exactly what the shape is, and then you can cut it properly with the correct trim. Like I say, you've already got this dimension here from the base, so just add that in as well. What you will end up with is a lid that looks like that. Just glue it into place. I'll just put the glue on the risers here, just enough, and that is your upper arm shape. Now, if you want to add further detail because you have an extreme bicep, you can do, but I would suggest just make the basic shape first, and we can look at the detail later on. Okay, on to the next video.